The secret of marketing via a social networking site. Introduction. No matter what you sell on internet today, whether it is ebook product, you have to mail out your service that you provide yourself. You need to find customer. That much is certain, but there are more creative you are finding those customers, especially when those methods don't involve spend any money. The more successful you can likely to be, and that why it is know your best interest to become familiar with social networking site, not to tell people all about what you do in your spare time or to share the intimate details of your life with the use as a method or gain more business. Yes, there are thousands of customers to be found on this site, despite the fact that they are intended of social purpose. They can be used business purpose too. You just need to know how to do it. And there is no doubt that the people who are doing it already are reaping the reward. There are such a high proportion of internet users who are number of at least one social networking site that you are ignore a huge number of potential customers if you don't at least try it. Facebook alone has over 100 million users as of the middle of 2018, so you can see just how big an opportunity this is. But I can guarantee that once you have tried marketing to your audience in this way, you want to stop. To start with, do your homework. This is a virtual vital. To start with, do your homework. This is vital if you're going to get some good result. Some social networking site are quite lenient when it comes to member using them to business purpose. Others are completely against it. You need to know exactly where you stand with each one before you get started, because if you take a lead back approach with a site that doesn't like it, you won't get anywhere. This this part is tough. All you need to is the term and conditions of each site that you are interested in to see how promotional you are allowed to be. The more you know up front, the better you will be able to integrate yourself into each website. You should also take a look around and see what other people have done. But be careful with this approach, because you may well come across people who have broken the rules and haven't been discovered yet. And you certainly don't want to join them, do you? Don't overdo it. Before we get into how to make the most of social networking for business purpose, we should cover one important point. There are a lot of social networking sites online today, and it can be tempting to join them all. But this can actually harm your chances of marketing successful through them. It works for better to join just two or three social networking sites rather than as many as you can. Just think about the amount of free time you have available each week. If you focus your effort on a few sites rather than a lot of, you will get far better result. Why? Simply because the people who who start to follow you on the site you do will expect you to be reasonable active on there. And if you are trying to keep your up with half a dozen or more site, you will naturally be spreading yourself a lot of thinner, and that means that effect will be neglected as well. So make sure you choose the best network with the most people and stick with them. And here we are talking about the network that be millions of followers. You want to be aiming to connect with all of them, but you will soon find that you have bigger niche audience to aim at, which is good news when it comes to making money. Incidentally, when you're thinking about your site that you should be join, think about the type of age group people who are using each site. You may need to do a bit of research here, but it will be worth it. One site may have a huge audience compared of graduate, while another may feature a lot of more young professional. And if you are aiming at young professional, then that first site, no matter how many users it has, want to be the ideal one for you to join. Three popular social networking site you should definitely think about joining. Please note that there are my personal favorite. They are well worth consider of a different zone, which I shall reveal as we take quickly look at each one. So let's take the guide tour. Shall be MySpace. It is big, it is popular, and most people have heard of it. And those are three good reasons why you should get involved with it too. That don't like affiliate links, so if you are planning to promote other people product and you don't have a site of you one, you will benefit from getting one. But that site, you will get a comprehensive profile page that will help you tell people what you all about, and you can list your interest too. If you make sure these are related to focus of your business, you will draw even more interest. Oh, and did I mention you can have your one blog on MySpace as well? People can access things from your profile page and can end with quite a few fans simply by writing a great blog on a regular basis. Facebook, the other huge social networking site out there today. And this one doesn't mind your promoting your business either, which is the it get one my top three list. You can actually join by poorly claiming that you are business sick and opening a business account, but you should be aware that you can't then have personal account as well. The rules regarding this are quite complex, so it is worth checking out the help section before join. Facebook is laid out differently from MySpace, but the principle is the same. And the fact that you can be honest about my you are there to market your business make it a lot of easier a regular more enjoyable to use. Twitter. If you want to big result for less work, then Twitter is the site for you. Why write a long message to people who are interested in what you have to say when 140 character will do? That's all you get to communicate with your Twitter, but it makes it easy to keep busy on this site. A minute or two here and there, and you will soon have plenty of followers hanging onto your every word. Some people have even created a series of necessarily short piece of advice labeling them one of 12 and soon on to create interesting it works well too, and simply experimenting with using the 140 character limit to your advantage can create some good result. Adapt a different approach to suit each site. To really make it most of social networking, you need to present yourself as someone down to earth but professional. So let's take a look at how you can do that by forcing on a few important points to remember. Who are you looking for? On a very basic level, looking for a customer, but you are also looking for certain type of person who is going to become your customer. What you need to do is to find out who that person is, what do they like, what are they really interested in, and soon so on. And once you have found out the answer to those questions, you can target your social networking efforts towards that person. This should be easy to do if you know your product well, and it also means you want to get overwhelmed by the volume of people on the social networking site you are targeting, because you will know exactly which ones you are aiming for. But make no mistake, knowing your audience is the key to use social networking site successfully when it came to marketing your product. If you don't know who you're aiming at, you want to attract much attention at all. At least not the type you're looking for. The followers of are choosing the right site for you the first place. Once you have done that, don't assume that everyone on that site is going to have an interest in you. It is just a question of narrowing your focus even more and joining in your people you want to reach. Don't try and sell to everyone because it won't work. Adopt your profile. Don't make a mistake of going onto one of these sites and setting up your profile just it would be for you. This really follow on from the last point about knowing who are looking for. If you know what will attract their attention, then you will know how to write your profile so it fulfill that purpose. For example, photography are naturally going to be interested in the profile of other photographer. Writers will natural gravitate toward other writers. And people who are trying to make money online will search for other who are trying to do the same. This apply to every niche subject or marketing you can think of. Why? Because they are trying to find the knowledge they need to succeed. Or in some case, knowledge about the subject they like that they don't yet know about. And if you other people who share their interest are easy to find through their profile, they will want to stick with them and see what they have say want them. Remember that you are not one there for social kicks. You are on the there to make content and generate interesting in your business. That means you need to create a profile that is different from how you would normally describe yourself. The only prerequisite here is should each attention and make people look closer. But being professional isn't always going to be the right approach here. You want to seem casual approach, so use kind language your preferred audience might use. For example, if you sell a range of USB gadgets, you could describe yourself as a USB gadget freak. If you sell ebook on the subject of saving money, you could refer to yourself as a thrifty money saver. There are plenty of possibility here. You should find that you can change the wording you use on your profile page. So don't beware for experimenting. You might feel like a bite, a fraud, a being with because your really passion might be very far away from what you include on your profile. But you should think yourself as being two very destination. People are business person and normal day to day person, and it is business person that is going to be joining this social networking site. There is one other very important point to mention here. When you join a site, make sure your first task is to create that profile and get off your running. You don't want people clicking on your screen name to find out more about you, only to be met with a website address and little else. If that happens, there is very good inch they want to be back. So make sure you are ready to create a completed profile from scratch as soon as you join. Use those tools. Use those tools. One key way of making sure you get other people to follow you on this site is to use the tools they give you to promote your social networking status elsewhere. For example, Twitter has a range of badges or widgets that you can use elsewhere. They are ideally for putting on your blog, for example, and they even have ones that you have been specifically designed to go on MySpace on Facebook. They are worth using because they enable you to attract more followers for outside the social networking site. Once they find you, they are more likely to follow you, especially if you make it easy for them by using weird guests like theirs. But there is another static you should use as well if you are going to join more than one site. Whatever you do, make sure you link them all together. It seems to be generally assumed that if someone is on one social networking site, they will frequent other as well. So don't be shy about promoting your other social networking effort in fact, you will find that some sites actually give you space to put your screen name of those in as well. Start using Firefox. Start using Firefox. If you are not using the Firefox browser already, I highly recommend you do so if you are going to be attractive on this social networking site. That's because it gives you far more functionality than may others browser. People create ad once to use the Firefox, and since many these are associated with the social networking site, your marketing will be made that much easier by using the ones you like the look of. A good example of how much faster and more convenient Firefox is can be seen by looking at just one of the many ads that are available for Twitter. One of the best ones you call it Twitter bar, and it quite simply allow you to make post directly from the address bar that you would usually type your website address into. Needless to say, this is a really time saver, but it also make your use of the social networking site much more anything enticing. This is because you have that regular reminder by way of small dot and dot end of your address bar that you have social networking site you need to be marketing on. So whatever site you decide to focus on, check to see if there are any ad ones that will make you marketing quicker and easier to achieve. You you did be amazed at the difference this can make. The benefit of being stable. Marketing on social network site is almost like using reverse psychology. Your end goal is to sell your product. But in social networking site don't generally like you to be that blunt about it. So what do you do instead? It is simply you sell your subject, or rather you promote it, but you don't promote it by telling people how fabulous your book is. You promote it by getting them interested in the subject and making it clear that you know what you are talking about. You might think there is no difference in this at all, but there is where people go wrong. Let's say you wanted to sell a book you are writing about saving money by shopping online. The last thing you would do is to go on MySpace, Facebook, or any other social networking site and try to sell it direct. Quite apart from the fact that people just wouldn't be interested and would see it for what it and out advert. You might get problem from the networking site themselves. The majority of them aren't there, therefore you take advantage for like this. So interest you have to think about your subject and find a way to connect with your audience. The very people who are going to be interested in book on saving money. What you can do here is to dangle a carrot in front of them. Tell them about some of the more unusually way have managed to save money recently. If you know of any great deal going on, share them with your regard and followers. They will be grateful of for it, and they will be glad that they are getting something for nothing as well. And of course, if you got some useful information from someone you found on a social networking site, you you had booking them or start following them, wouldn't you? After all, they might have more of the same to share. Now most of these social networking site will let you add a link direct to your one website, even if that website happen to offer a wide range of goods for people to buy. So, if you are given by all this free information on a specific subject as part of your input into a particular social networking site, you will find that more and more people will click through to your website. Keep an eye on your website status as you start to make inroad into the type of marketing. I can almost guarantee that after a while you will see regular stream and traffic coming from your social networking efforts, and the more you put into them, the more you get out in the end. Think SEO, but not too much. Very few people think putting keyword into their profile at the various social networking site. But keyword can bring your traffic on this site just as they can all across the web. Most of, if not a social networking site, give you the opportunity to search of other members. Now think about how you would do this. If you knew a screen same of the specific member would type to but if you wanted to find other people who are as interested in your hobby and favorite subject as you are, you had type in the name of your body hobby, right? So if you have writing a who book and a car, type the words car into the search box and see what you get back. The same appeal to whatever subject you might be promoting. So what you need to do it is make list of your most popular keyword that are connected to your subject. Think about what people will look for, make sure those keywords are carefully prepared through your profile and your description. For example, you might describe yourself as an ebook writer who specializes in book about saving money. You can then add then in the spare time you focus scoring the internet for a new way to save money on your household bill and so soon. Do you get the idea? You are presenting that profession face to people but interest integrate into your profile in a way that doesn't feel like a sales pitch. If you overdo it, you will certainly get the opposite effect that you are after. People know when they are being sold to. So you should always ensure that your writing come across naturally, that should come before anything else. The same goes for any comment you add to your profile and entry you add to your blog in the case of MySpace, or Twitter you make in the case of Twitter. Don't overdo it. But they would keyword split in the here and there want to be anyone any list of value. Go for regular efforts. This is one rule that could be applied to every single type of marketing you do. And just because the social networking kind might seem more casual, it doesn't mean it should be on your side of things. The site allow you to attract followers. They also allow you to follow other people's. Have you ever heard the saying give and you shall receive? If you have, you will be daily delight to applies the social networking site as well. Your main focus is generate a larger following of people who will be interested in what you have to sell. But to do that, you need to attract attention. And sometimes the best way to do that is to become interested in other people. Think of it like this. If you have a product has been two solid people face to face, what what would you do? What you do out and talk to people about it? Or you do sit at home in the hope that they would come and find you? This is very similar to what will happen if you get your profile ready for action on a social networking site and don't go to find people yourself. Start by looking for people who have the same interest as you, or at least the same interest that in business person you has. You can then start following them or become a friend of theirs. This is by far the best way to start building your network on each side. You will normal find that your promotion of the people you started following, you will check out your profile and start following you in your return. And since you are all sharing the same interesting, you should find that they will take a look at your website as well. Any active start is certainly the best way to get result as quickly as possible. And this means being regular with your efforts. If you're setting a website, you can get away to putting in a lot of effort to get it up and running and then just it every once in a while. But if you are going to try social networking for your marketing efforts, you will need to keep at it. People want to follow someone who only posts up your every couple of moments. Keep an eye on your result. Keep Keep an eye on your result. Marketing via social networking is much like any other form of marketing. You need to be aware of how are you doing to see whether your method are working or not. It would seem to be great to get involved in the particular site and start marketing connections all over the place. But along with preservation effect, you must also be prepared to monitor your result. Let's see. Let's say you are resolved to try all three sites and mentioned it early. After 3 or 4 weeks, take a look at how are you doing at each one. Are you getting the result you want, or is one site not working too well for you? If this case, don't drop it. Take a closer look and see what you have been doing that could be at fault. If that method you have tried so far haven't been working, you need to find an alternative way to connect with the audience. Each site attracts certain type of people, and what you may work really well in one place could fall flat on its face elsewhere. So be our experiment review and reverse necessary to get the best result. You also need to be honest and ask yourself whether you have been putting enough effort in. This is one reason why using Firefox browser with the required add one such a good idea. It serves as constant reminder that you need to log in, get active within the community. So don't expect a great result in a short period of time. Expect sensationally once within longer period of the time interest. And believe me, it is perfectly possible. What about your possibility within social networking? The perhaps social networking automatically makes you think of website like MySpace, but in true, you can network online in other way as well. For example, think about YouTube. It is not strictly networking, but you can network on it by film short video on your chosen subject. People can follow you and subscribe to your video make so it can still be good place to connect with people who have the same interest as you. Squid is the come to in mind. Some people do rank this is as a social networking site, but to me it is too so much more. You can get plenty of fans and followers here for the free web page you can build, so it is worth joining and experimenting with building a different page about your business and various different aspects of it. And he maybe you could build a page on the benefit of social networking. If you do, make sure you and are all your badge and budget to get people. Can you where they can following you? Squad is a very responsive site and it is not that difficult to gain following there is you put some effort in. Basically any website that is interactive can be used to future further marketing effort. You just need to remember to use the personal approach rather than a business one. Conclusion: why do social networking and marketing work well together? There are probably a lot of reason for this if you really dug down deep into it. But in my opinion, there is only one that really matters. It is that people are interact to you as well as your business and that break down the biggest barrier that exists online today. Being able to sell stuff all around the world is a huge bonus. But not being able to see people face to face can be huge downside. Similarly, being able to set up online business on a shoestring is a huge bonus. And not being able to full convey people your legit is an equally big downside. And that where social networking come in. The very fact that many of these sites don't like you to promote your business Valiantly actually does you as a huge favor. It focuses you to get creative and engage with the potential customer is much more active way. And in the end, that can only be a good thing. It is also the case that the people who are going those sites are going there with a social mindset. They are social networking site after all. They are not going there to find product. They are not going there to be sold anything either, even though some of the site advertise of the verifying kind of their page. They are going there to meet off with like-minded people and sharing experience and knowledge. This means that if you can get into the some mindset, you stand a great chance of connecting with them and building the trust and is also vital all business stably online. They are not expecting a hard sell. So if you don't give try to hard sell them, they may well end up buying something from you through choice in the future. Sound crazy, doesn't it? And yet there is plenty of market out there today who be to prefer. So make sure your preservation established people or presence on the site that matter and you will find that your audience you seek will start coming to find you.